Legitimate money-making apps don't check your credit score before letting you earn rewards. Since you're completing tasks instead of applying for a loan or credit product, a credit check usually isn't part of the sign-up process. By the end of this video, you'll know 5 apps that pay real cash for completing tasks, and why credit history isn't a factor with these platforms. First is Freecash. Freecash lets users earn rewards by completing surveys, testing apps, playing games, and finishing promotional offers. Since you're earning rewards rather than borrowing money, there's no credit check required to create an account. Before starting an offer, read the completion requirements so your activity tracks correctly. Next is Scrambly. Scrambly pays users for trying mobile apps, completing game objectives, and testing online services. You earn rewards after finishing specific milestones, and account approval isn't based on your credit history. Focus on offers with clear instructions because they're usually the easiest to complete successfully. Third is Branded Surveys. Branded Surveys rewards members for sharing opinions through market research surveys. Companies are paying for consumer feedback, not evaluating your financial history, so a credit score isn't part of the registration process. Completing your profile helps the platform send more relevant survey invitations. Fourth is Mistplay. Mistplay rewards Android users for discovering and playing sponsored mobile games. You earn points by reaching gameplay milestones, then redeem those points through supported reward options. Since you're participating in a gaming rewards program, your credit history isn't considered when joining. Finally, there's Cash Giraffe. Cash Giraffe rewards users for playing featured games and testing recommended apps. Earnings come from completing in-app activities instead of qualifying for financial products, so a credit check isn't required. Compare the available game offers before you begin, because reward rates can vary. One thing to remember is that no credit check doesn't always mean no verification. Some apps or payment providers may ask you to verify your identity before processing certain withdrawals or to prevent fraud. That's different from checking your credit score and doesn't affect your credit report. To sum up, Freecash and Scrambly combine multiple earning methods. Branded Surveys focuses on paid market research, and Mistplay and Cash Giraffe reward mobile gaming. Pick the app that matches how you prefer to earn, complete your profile accurately, and follow each offer exactly as instructed to maximize your rewards. If this guide helped you find a legitimate earning app, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out our other videos covering trusted ways to make money online in 2026.